Okay, welcome scholars once again. In today's video, we shall be looking at some problems on probabilities. Okay, um, the first question says a letter is chosen at random from the 26 letters of the alphabet. Find the probability that I that the letter is either letter F or letter what J. Okay, now recall that in our alphabet we have a total letter of 26 letters makes up the alphabet. Now we are told that if a letter is picked randomly, there is going to either be this or this. Okay, now the solution should be is probability of that is going to be F or probability that is going to be letter what, letter J. And when it comes to probabilities, okay, when it comes to probability, this letter, this word or simply means what? Simply means plus. So this means the probability of F plus the probability that the letter will be what? Will be J. Okay, that means probability of F is what? Is 1 over what? 26, because in the ABCD alphabet we have only one F. Okay, and you know that probability is what? Is equals to the number of required outcome over number of possible outcome. The possible outcome there is the 26 alphabet, while the required outcome there is that F that we are looking for, then plus 1 over what? 26. Okay, if you find your SCM is 26, so you are having what? 2 over what? Over 26. That is giving us what? 1 over what? 1 over 13. Okay, so 1 over 13 is the solution to that one. Then the next one says that one of the letters of the word triangle, right, that letter that was picked at random, that it could be one of the letter of the word triangle. Now we know that a triangle is spelled T R I A N G L E, right? So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 words, 8 total number of alphabet. Now this will mean the probability that it is what? It is T, or probability that it is what? Arrow, or the probability that it is what? It is that it is what? It is I, or the probability that it is what? A, or the probability that it is what? It is N, right? Or the probability that it is a G, or the probability that it is what? It is a L, or the probability that it is what? An E. Okay, that is what is going to mean. Now this is equals to what? Because we have each of the letter appears once in the alphabet, so it's going to be 1 over what? 1 over 26 plus 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 1 over what? 26. Okay, plus 1 over what? 26. Okay, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 over what? 26. Okay, if you find the SCM of all these things, our final solution should be what? Should be 8 over what? 26. So 2 here is 4 and 2 here is what? Is 13, giving us 4 over what? 13. So that is the solution for that one. Okay, the next question says, in a class of 30 students, right? So the total number of students, equals 30. 16 are boys. What is the probability that a girl is choosing to represent the class on a quiz competition? Since 16 are boys, okay, number of boys equals to 16. So the probability that a girl is going to represent us in a competition will be equals to 1 minus, right? 1 minus the number of what? The number of boys over what? 30, right? Now your SCM here is 30. You can say over 1 here. So we have 30 minus what? 16, okay? And 30 minus 16 should give us what? Should give us 14, right? So 14 over what? 30. We can break this down, okay? So 2 here is what? Is 7, and 2 here is what? Is 15, okay? So the probability that it is a girl, or that a girl can represent us, will be 7 over what? 15, okay? You can still choose to say, okay, that 30 minus this, okay, and I say 30 minus this, then it's going to give us 14, okay? And then 14 divided by what? Divided by 30, you still have the same answer, or you subtract it from 1, subtract the fraction from 1, okay? Yeah, okay. The last but not the least is, a bag contains 13 ripe and 7 unripe oranges, okay? So we have solving number 3. So number of ripe oranges is equals to what? 13, right? Then number of unripe oranges is equals to what? 7. Okay, they say find the probability that any of the oranges picked at random is ripe orange. Okay, now probability that anyone that is picked at random will be what? Ripe, will be equals to what? Number of what? Number of ripe oranges, okay, divide total number of what? Of oranges, okay? This will give us what? This will give us number of ripe oranges, what? Is 13 over who? Total number of this is what? Is 20, okay? So scholars, with this we've come to the end of what? Of the video we have what today, based on the questions that we were asked, okay? If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe, okay? Thank you.